Okay guys, so I said I'm going to try to do a little video. We just went through the checkpoint. We're going to check in now. So far it's been a smooth process. They have valet, no parking, no self-park, valet parking. So yeah, this is how it looks. Checking in. There's probably one of the ships. I don't know if it's the one we're gonna be on. Oh my gosh, we're going on there now, you guys. You don't know, like, it's freaking huge. Like, I'm trying to show y'all, like, oh my gosh. Baby.
Oh dear.
Without fear. Yeah. Whoa, babe.
Hey.
Oh, it's so tiny. But it's nice. That's our bathroom. In our room. This is where the magic happens. Or will be. The window. I'm actually surprised. Like, I was thinking the window wouldn't be that big. Like, but it's a pretty good size. Like, if you go up to this, like, this is a huge window. So the ship has not left out yet, so I just see a bunch of containers right now. But yeah, I'm like so excited. I cannot believe it. Babe, what do you think? Oh, that's like an extra bed, I guess, like a trundle or something. I don't know. Yeah. That's so nice. So, yeah, so we just came to put our bags down. We're gonna go out, go explore, and see how it looks out there. Bibs did a lot of shit.
Did a lot of shit just to live.
Real time. Wow, and it's so worth it. What's up? Yeah, nice. We made it, man. You know we gotta do this.
Oh dear. Di ba man na gawin na ako?
No, babe.
So, babe.
Out at sea, people. Wow. We're leaving Florida. So beautiful. We are moving, people. Moving. People, it is beautiful. Like, I had no idea, people. Look at this, people. Look at this from my window pane, people. Oh shit. Okay. People. We laid up.
Laid up. Gotta keep it laid up. Hey.
Okay, people. So right now we are. Let me pull this up. I have my shorts on. But now we are out. We're about to go get our dinner. I'm still a little tipsy right now, so forgive me in advance. But we're about to get our dinner, and then We're gonna go to, I think, karaoke night. Or like, I think they have like a couples game thing. So, yeah, I'll try to get some highlights from that. Come on, baby. Let's eat. You got your wallet?
Oh, yeah.
And your key card?
You have your key card?
Yeah.
Do not disturb.
Oh yeah, we had the do not disturb sign on, y'all. Oh my gosh, it was so funny because fucking housekeeping came and I'm like, oh my bad, sorry. Wow, this place is fancy. That says Yellow Elf. Thank you. Oh, thank you. So this is Yellow Elder. We will be having dinner here. Salmon, teriyaki salmon, and my stuffed chicken breast. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, we're pulling up. And what do we have over here? Atlantis. And there are some cruise ships that are like docked right now, I believe. So I guess we're pulling up there. So yeah, we are here. We are here, we are here. So it's time to explore. So we are leaving out now, and we're in the Bahamas. So we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna go see what we can get ourselves into.
Right, this one. Here it is.
Ready.
Let's do it.
Free time. We got eggs, sausage, bacon. Oh, I'm gonna get a lot of bacon. I love bacon and I love it well done. I think that's it. There's other stuff. I just got that. You got... Say hi, baby. For real, we tired as fuck. We went to bed at like 1 o'clock, but we're here, you guys. We're finally here. After we eat, we're just gonna go see what we can do. I didn't set up any excursions or anything, so we'll see. Okay, so we're gonna come off. There's Atlantis. I don't know if you can see all the tourists just traveling. We got a lot of walking to do, that's for sure. Okay, we're walking, so it says the exit and entrance is where it says place. That's our ship here. So, yeah, so we're gonna just head into here.
Good afternoon. That's run by the 4-wheeler.
Well,
See, the ATV is a four-wheeler.
four-wheeler, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're paying the 1 hour rate for the whole day on the ATV. That's $250 for the day, or the 2 hour rate for the scooter, 2 person ride on one for the whole day.
Want a ride, man. Want a blood clot ride off of this. We riding a fucking ATV today, people. Okay, so we decided to do the ATV. So, oh my gosh, you guys, it is just so exciting.
Oh, dear.
Trendy. We had no blood clot. Remember, we drive on the left here, you know. Huh? Alright, wallet bills. Right. Woo! We are driving to Atlantis. We just parked the bike, the ATV I should say. So we're just gonna head in and go check out Atlantis. People, it's so beautiful in the Bahamas. Better than I remembered it the first time. Oh my god. I definitely had more fun this time already. My goodness, you guys.
I used to have alcoholic. Yo, them brave no for.
Nacho. Yeah. I didn't get here. Yeah. This is amazing. Underground thing one. Now we're at the casino. Will we play? I doubt that. But yeah, they do have a pretty big casino here, different selections and all that. Very big.
Okay. Yeah, we don't know.
Okay, now that we're at a stoplight. Ready?
Yeah, we out here now.
Yeah, so we just left Atlantis and we're gonna go back to like downtown area.
Say no U-turn this up.
Down. Oh, you see them?
On the bike back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Senor Frogs. We're gonna go in there for a drink. People are selling a lot of stuff here. You see the ships are right there. So yeah, man. It's pretty good, you know? Pretty good stuff, man. I gotta bring some stuff back for my mom and my grandmother and my daughter and my son. your time, Puck. Like, where you said, babe? Yeah, right here. So where are we? We're at Senior Frog. And look at the asses. Awesome. We're about to have fun. Baby, how you feeling so far? Yeah, we're at Senior Frog and we're having a good time. Really good atmosphere, you guys.
Everybody, put your hands over there right now.
Look, Tortuga. I think that's the back. You have to turn it around. Oh, look. Okay, so we're going back to the ship. Oh, the straw market. Park over here. I want to stop by the straw market. Straw market. Okay guys, so we're about to go back in. I just wanted to show you, like, this place is so safe, you guys. They even have like boat police on these little teeny tiny boats. When you enter back in, you have to show like a picture ID and your, I guess, your ship cards, your ID cards, in order to pass. So we're gonna go back in now. No, only the liquor they need. Okay, so when you come back in, they have the tropical water, some snacks, some lemon water. Okay, so these were just several souvenirs that I picked up for me and my family. I got some Tortuga, rum cake, all varieties, flavors, and just some other like accessories and stuff like that to bring back. People, we're back on the ship. I'm about to eat my ice cream. He's already fucked up his. I got a sunburn. I feel great. Yeah, so just exhausted, you guys, and I still want to go to this party tonight and this comedy show, so it's gonna be a long night. Guys, this is our last night on our cruise. We're gonna go to dinner, and I think there's like a comedy show going on and then like some kind of party, so we're gonna do that. I didn't bring enough clothes apparently because I have to wear like the same top, but Bay is looking good.
Looking good too, man.
I know I'm looking good, but I'm just saying. I didn't know I had to bring so much stuff. So tip for everyone, bring enough clothes on your trip. because you know you're going to be going on the cruise, then you'll have things to do in the night on the ship itself. I just didn't want to overpack and end up underpacking. So, tip. Okay, people. Oh my gosh, it's like so scary. It's so surreal out here. Like, I wish y'all could see what I am seeing right now. But yeah, I'm just happy that I'm here and I got to experience this with my best friend in the whole wide world.
Cold like ice.
Yes,
And she hot-blooded. She hot-blooded and yes, me cold-blooded. How we call your fuck?
Oh my gosh. Sweet and juicy.
Red apple.
Like it.
Right. Look at the green one.
The forbidden fruit. 6 I got all of it, boo. Hey, hey, what did you say?
Oh dear.
Oh, he's so romantic. You can't see, but we're like, the fucking ocean is out there.
Probably a kid.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Yeah, joke things na. Diba yung si Seta video na bata sa things sa sila. Yo, dear. The wife, wow, wallet. It's a deal.
One of blessings. May fuck up pizza.
Fuck up a pizza. The pizza there. A pizza they look like I eat a fuck you up. But you only can skinny. Bread skin off the top right.
The bread not nice, and the cheese and the pepperoni nice.
You're wrong. But yeah, we out there.
I'll see you up there.
Empress, are you pretty stuff?
So would have a woman like that.
Why, Jaja? I need to know. Inside out. You can't tell guys, you know. Sweet like honey. Good, honey. Put more sugar in it. Yeah. You know, take back shot.
Back shot.
What about?
Take back shot. Back shot. There's a big difference. I don't want to take the back shot.
Star girl. Can't stay. Put it on you. I put it on you anywhere. Me not care. We take it anywhere. All upon the stairs. Bumbo crack. Trouble. Trouble in them place. Back it up. Woo! Girl. Hot. Right? Best of the best.
Okay, so this part of the video, we were at a bar on the ship. I had to avoid copyright issues, I just muted out the songs, but this song was like, me not carry feelings, me carry me gun them. But yeah, you get the point. It was so late, as you can see, no one was in there. Pretty much. That's our bartender making our drinks. He was awesome. Awesome. Those drinks, I was wasted. Me and my husband both. I think that's called like a painkiller. I think that's a painkiller. Or a pirate killer. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, at this point we're like wasted. We just like to have a good time and not really care about who's watching or what anyone thinks. And that, on top of it with liquor, equals this. But we definitely enjoyed ourselves. I will always remember this trip, because I wish I could play the music. It just sucks that we can't. But yeah.
Yeah. Frosting the babes. Living your life, girl.
I'm living my best motherfucking life. Ain't nobody can
Careful.
live my life for me. Ain't nobody can tell me how to live my motherfucking life, bitch. Cause if I want a motherfucking turk, I motherfucking turk on the head, turk on the head, turk on the head,
Oh, yeah.
turk on the head, turk.
Gotta live your life. Don't wait till tomorrow.
Don't wait till you're dead, bitch. Don't wait till you're dead.
Tomorrow, promise.
You better lay it down, bitch.
Get up and live. Better know that.
You want more way to try to stop me. There's gonna be some time. We gonna have to.
Rock them bumper clad. Whoop, whoop.
What's next? What's next?
Let's go to the bumper clad.
What's next?
Tell me now.
Let me tell you. We're gonna go to the bedroom. We're gonna take things nice and slow. Then after we get in there, we're gonna speed it up.
Okay.
You feel me?
Watch your feet, though. What's the bumper clad?
Afterwards. Okay, so right now we are leaving. It was fun. We came, we saw, we conquered. We did everything we set out to do and more. And I couldn't say, like, I couldn't have had a better trip. Now it's time to go back home and recuperate for work tomorrow.